If there's one thing that's clear about 2025, it's this: life is getting more expensive, distractions are everywhere, and burnout is real. The traditional way of doing things, accumulating more, working harder just to buy more stuff, drowning in subscriptions, and stressing over money, isn't working. If you want to survive and thrive in 2025, you need a minimalist mindset. But let's get one thing straight. Minimalism isn't just about owning fewer things. It's about focusing on what truly matters: your money, your time, your mental peace, and your energy. It's about cutting the noise, eliminating waste, and making space for what actually makes life better. Here's how to do it. First, stop buying things you don't need to impress people who don't care. Social media will make you believe that you need the latest gadgets, fashion trends, and luxury items to be successful. But the reality: most people are just buying status symbols while drowning in debt. The rich don't waste money trying to look rich. They invest in things that actually make them wealthy: assets, skills, and financial freedom. Before buying anything, ask yourself, does this improve my life or just my image? Another rule: cancel the subscriptions that no longer serve you. Streaming services, gym memberships you don't use, premium apps you forgot about, these small monthly charges add up to thousands of dollars a year. Minimalists are ruthless about eliminating unnecessary expenses. If you're not using it, cancel it. If it doesn't add significant value, cut it. The more money you free up, the more financial control you have. One of the biggest minimalist shifts is prioritizing experiences over possessions. Instead of cluttering your home with things, invest in moments. Travel, learning, quality time with loved ones, these bring real happiness. Studies prove that people who spend on experiences rather than material goods feel more fulfilled. In 2025, don't just chase things, chase memories. Minimalism isn't just about money, it's also about mental clarity. Unsubscribe from information overload. We live in a world of constant notifications, endless news cycles, and mindless scrolling. But information without action is just noise. Instead of consuming everything, be intentional about what you allow into your mind. Follow people who inspire you, read books that help you grow, and ignore anything that adds stress without value. A key minimalist rule: own fewer, higher quality things. Instead of buying cheap, trendy clothes that wear out quickly, invest in a small wardrobe of high-quality pieces that last. Instead of replacing cheap furniture every few years, buy durable, timeless items. The same applies to everything: tech, kitchen tools, even your car. Quality over quantity always wins in the long run. Minimalism is also about simplifying your financial life. Automate your savings, cut unnecessary accounts, and stick to a simple investment plan. Many people overcomplicate investing with fancy stock picks and complex strategies, but the truth is long-term wealth is built by keeping things simple. Invest in index funds, build an emergency fund, and focus on increasing your income. Complexity leads to stirs, simplicity leads to freedom. Declutter your digital life. Your phone and computer are filled with old files, unused apps, and thousands of unread emails. Digital clutter adds stress just like physical clutter. Delete what you don't need, organize your files, and set up a system that keeps things clean. A clear digital space means a clear mind. Minimalism in 2025 also means cutting out toxic relationships. Your energy is limited. Don't waste it on people who drain you. If someone constantly brings negativity, drama, or stress into your life, let them go. Surround yourself with people who uplift, challenge, and inspire you. Your environment shapes your future. Another big shift: stop overcommitting your time. In a world that glorifies hustle culture, it's easy to think that being busy equals being productive. But minimalists know that less is more. Cut unnecessary meetings, say no to things that don't align with your goals, and focus on what actually moves the needle in your life. The more you simplify your schedule, the more time you have for what truly matters. Minimalists also practice mindful consumption. Before buying anything, ask, do I really need this? Will this bring long-term value? Can I get by without it? Delaying purchases, even for 24 hours, helps prevent impulse buying and ensures you only spend on what truly matters. A minimalist mindset is also about reducing financial stress. Stop comparing your financial journey to others. Social media makes it seem like everyone is getting rich overnight, buying dream houses and traveling the world. But most of it is fake or financed by debt. Focus on your own financial goals, not what others are doing. Wealth is built in silence, not through flashy posts. Minimalism is about owning your time. Stop trading hours for dollars. If you're stuck in a cycle of working just to pay bills, find ways to increase your income through skills, automation, or investments. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter and create a life where money works for you, not the other way around. One of the most overlooked rules is eliminating decision fatigue. Every day, you make hundreds of small decisions: what to wear, what to eat, what to watch, what to buy. Each one drains your mental energy. Minimalists reduce unnecessary choices by creating routines. Wear the same types of outfits, meal prep to simplify eating, automate bill payments. Anything that removes the burden of small, repetitive decisions frees up energy for what actually matters. Another major shift: stop collecting things, start collecting skills. In 2025, possessions won't make you rich, but skills will. The ability to adapt, learn new things quickly, and solve problems is more valuable than ever. Instead of buying another gadget or piece of furniture, invest in learning. Take an online course, learn a high-income skill, or improve your negotiation and communication abilities. The more skills you build, the more financially secure you become. Minimalism is also about living below your means, no matter how much you earn. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Every time they make more money, they spend more. But true wealth isn't about income, it's about what you keep and grow. If you earn 6 figures but spend it all, you're still broke. The minimalist approach is to increase your earnings while keeping your expenses lean. This gap is what builds real financial security. A critical rule for 2025: own fewer liabilities, acquire more assets. Liabilities take money out of your pocket, assets put money in. Most people spend their entire lives accumulating things that cost them: cars, luxury brands, unnecessary home upgrades, while ignoring things that make them money. A minimalist focuses on investing in income-generating assets. Stocks, real estate, businesses, and digital products, these are the things that create financial freedom. Another essential mindset shift: recognize that time is more valuable than money. Money can be replaced, time cannot. Stop trading time for things that don't serve you. If something doesn't add value to your life, eliminate it. If a task can be automated or delegated, do it. Every minute wasted on meaningless work, toxic relationships, or endless scrolling is time you never get back. Minimalism also means not upgrading for the sake of upgrading. Tech companies push new phones, new laptops, and new gadgets every year, convincing you that what you have is outdated. But ask yourself, does my current device still work? If the answer is yes, you don't need an upgrade. The same applies to cars, appliances, and even homes. Hold on to what works and only replace things when necessary. A game changer for 2025: be ruthless with your schedule. Many people fill their days with activities that drain them: endless meetings, unnecessary errands, and social obligations they don't enjoy. A minimalist schedule means cutting out anything that doesn't align with your goals. Protect your time. Say no to things that don't serve you. The more intentional you are with your time, the more freedom you have. Another key rule for 2025: simplify your goals. Many people set 10 different resolutions and get overwhelmed. Instead, choose 1 or 2 major goals and go all in. Whether it's improving your finances, getting healthier, or building a side business, focusing on fewer goals increases your chances of success. Minimalism is also about learning to say no without guilt. Every time you say yes to something you don't want to do, you're saying no to something that actually matters. Protect your time, energy, and finances by setting clear boundaries. You don't owe anyone an explanation for putting yourself first. One last game-changing rule: realize that less isn't just about having less, it's about making space for more. More peace, more clarity, more financial security, more freedom. The people who thrive in 2025 will be the ones who cut the clutter, simplify their lives, and focus on what truly moves them forward. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. And in 2025, the most intentional people will win.